Welcome to watch the Endeavour 3 GT FOC replacement operation video. To remove the deck, first lift up one corner of the grip tape, then use the H2S3 Allen wrench to remove the 12 screws on the deck. 3 GT uses 3 mm grip tape. To prevent deformation, please remove the screws and lay flat after disassembly. Just do this and remove all the screws to remove the deck. The entire internal structure is presented in front of you. Use a 2.5 mm Allen wrench to remove the light module above the controller. Please remove these 4 screws, disconnect the connecting wires, and you can see the entire FOC. It takes a certain amount of force to disconnect the power interface. This is normal. In order to make the motor wire stronger, we will fix it on the light module. So please disconnect the fixation before removing the module. In order to have a more stable signal output, we fixed the antenna adapter board to the light module this time. Tear off the tape, gently pull the antenna wire, pull out the antenna adapter plate, and then remove the antenna vertically. Note that the antenna is very fragile, so be sure to carefully remove it. For the convenience of the demonstration, I first disconnect the light control wires from the controller. The antenna on the FOC needs to exit from this hole. Now that FOC is completely exposed to our sight, we can see that the control line of the motor is much larger than before, which means there will be more detailed control and a smoother experience. We disconnect these wires. Please hold the plug firmly when disconnecting. Do not pull directly on the wire. We need to disconnect all the motor wires. Be careful not to pull the insulating sheath because it is extended. Please watch this part of the video before proceeding. Please note that the FOC is fixed to the heatsink by 4 screws. Please use a 2.5 mm Allen wrench to remove it. After removing the screws, you can remove the entire FOC. The bracket that supports the light module can be disassembled and replaced here. If replacement is required, it is recommended to use the light module positioning. When reinstalling, install the screws diagonally. But do not tighten them, because we need to position the FOC. Tighten all the screws after positioning. When reconnecting the wires, note the order on the video: blue, yellow, green. The color sequence is the same on the other side of the wire connection. This process is very easy, but still requires patience. The extra insulating leather cover is for a certain degree of waterproofing. Reconnect the antenna. First, pass the controller antenna through the hole in the light module. Then install the antenna adapter module and install the antenna vertically. Now let's put these wires back together. Let's connect the motor hall line first, connecting the power switch wires and lighting control wires. After wiring, we need to install the light module, which requires us to first organize the wiring harness and place them roughly in the wire trough under the module. Align the screw holes and install the screws while ensuring that no wires are squeezed. Because we need to further adjust the position of the wires, the fixing screws only need to have a pre-tightening force. Now, with a fixed foundation on one side, we can easily put the wires into the wire trough. After putting it in place, we start to tighten and fix all the screws. Take out the tape and fix the antenna adapter plate. Finally, connect the power cord and secure it in the slot, and the entire FOC replacement is complete. Reinstall the deck, and you win. The video ends here. Thank you for watching.